This tutorial shows how to create and customize a boxplot using the ggpubr-package in R. A tutorial on how to create a simple boxplot with only base R is linked in the description. The ggpubr-package is based on the visually appealing ggplot2 package and requires less input and customization. Use the install.packages and library function to install and load the package accordingly. Start with the ggboxplot function. First off, you need to name your data source, aka your data frame. It is common practice to put the variable on the y-axis. Simply use the variable name within quotation marks. For example, y equals income to assign it. This will produce a basic boxplot for the income distribution of my sample. A few adjustments can and should be made. Use xlab equals false to remove the x. To get rid of the 1, we need to remove the text of the x-axis. The process seems unintuitive at first, but just follow along. Define a new vector, for instance p for plot, and assign the boxplot function to it by running this line. You will see it appearing in your environment on the right hand side. The next line starts with the plot name p, and then you add the so-called rremove function with a plus to it. Within the rremove function, you will simply write x.text within quotation marks. Run this line and the text will now disappear. You can remove all sorts of plot elements. The link in the description shows the complete list. To display the horizontal part of the whiskers, you can use the argument bxp.arrowbar equals true. If you want the mean displayed as a dot, you can use add equals within quotation marks mean. Other plot elements like jitter or dot plot can also be added, some even in combination. To change the shape of outliers, use outlier.shape equals and one of the numbers you can see on your screen now, representing different kinds of dots. The default is the number 19, but can also be changed to, for example, number 8. If you for some reason don't want to display outliers, use outlier.shape equals NA. If you want to customize the appearance in regard to colors, you can use the arguments fill equals and color equals. Fill will simply fill the boxplot with the desired color. Color, however, will change the outline color only. The provided default should be fine. A gray filling and a black outline should be acceptable in most publications. If you need a notched boxplot, add the argument notch equals true. You can also use a predefined theme by adding the ggtheme argument and choose from the available list. For instance, theme Cleveland. A short tutorial on creating grouped boxplots is shown on your screen now.